Hi, it's me again. Let's move on to the next section of the project, which is the generation of TF records. So first of all, we have to convert the XML annotations to CSV files in the train, test, and valid datasets. Here we're just copying the we just mounting the Google Drive here, and there is a script to download from the same GitHub repository. We're going to use the same principle, the same repository, and the command wget. And here we're going to download the XML to csv.py. And once downloaded, we're going to use this script to generate CSV files in each subset. So we just copy the same just use the XML to csv.py. The input is going to be the current directory / my $sign / birds od. First we start with the train subset, and then the output will be train / train labels .csv. I'm going to specify the output flag at the -o. And it's going to take some time to process. And I'm going to comment this line. Train labels CSV. Just going to copy the same block for the test labels CSV, change the input and the output directories and the output file, test labels.csv. Now we have generated the CSV files that contain the file name, the image file name, the bounding box, x1, x2, y1, y2 coordinates, and the class name. Now we're gonna convert the CSV file to TFRecords. We're gonna follow the same steps. Download a script which you're gonna find in the same GitHub repository. It's called generate TFRecords.py. Okay. Just give me a minute to check the file name. Okay, it's generate TFRecords. TFRecords. TFRecord.py. We're gonna remove it if it exists and download the latest version of the file from same GitHub repository. Okay, we're gonna change the file name, execute the block, download it, and then use the downloaded script, Python. Generate TFRecords records.py, specify the input folder and the output. So I'm just gonna copy the script for you. This is generate TFRecords.py. --CSV file, the input file, which is the current dir /birds od /train labels.csv, and then the output is going to be train TFRecord record. I'm just gonna grab the script for you to make it simpler. With the input and the output, we got a specify the image folder, which is current dir /birds od /train. Yes, this is the final script. You can find it in the second notebook, and it successfully generated the train.record and test.record. Here we are using the Tensorflow 2.13.0 because the version 2.14 won't work with the current object detection API version we're using with in this notebook.